So, how do quests work in Magic the Gathering Arena? Every day you will get one new quest, and you can find them right here below in the home screen. Usually you have to play certain cards, a certain amount of cards in of a certain color, or you attack with a certain amount of creatures, or destroy creatures, or play certain amounts of land. Once you've completed the quest, you will get the gold. Now, every day you will get one new quest, but you can change the current quests at least one time a day. So if I click, I can change one quest one time a day. For example, this red and green, I usually don't play right now with red or green cards, so I click swap quest, yes, and it changed. Now it's blue and red. It's still not that useful for me, but yes, this is how quest works in Magic the Gathering Arena. They are mostly useful because it's one of the few ways to get gold and mastery XP experience. So I hope you found this video useful. Leave a comment below, subscribe. There was not that much to say, but I hope you found this video useful anyway.